and Super Bowl on its way, Atlanta has hit it big, and the smartest of homeowners are using their backyards to cash in. We are in our Edgewood ADU. We're back after so much craziness that last time you guys saw this. Last time, our construction site was a little bit crazy due to the workers that we had. We ended up finishing out. This is a 750 square foot ADU, and we are standing in the kitchen, and I'm ready to show you exactly how it looks. So right here in the kitchen, we have a gold accents or brass, excuse me, brass fixtures, brass accents to really bring out that white. And then also all stainless steel appliances, full size appliances. Induction cooktop, of course, our microwave, and then right behind me, we have the floating shelves. Honestly, a really phenomenal touch, especially with the lights, the can lights. They are definitely helping to bring light between the windows, the lights. We have a lot of light coming into this structure. Now, right off of the kitchen, we have both one of the bedrooms and one of the full baths. Inside of this bathroom, we have an actual tub, in addition to the vanity, more floating shelves, and now here we have those black fixtures. Keeping the design pretty consistent throughout for the most part, you'll find that both the bathroom and the bedrooms on each side of the home are pretty similar. They mirror in design. So it's actually very, very spacious. Would you believe that this is a tiny house? It's actually considered a tiny house. Now, moving over, once we leave the bathroom that's right off of the kitchen, we now have the main one bedroom with a full closet. So lots of closet space so that those guests that are actually staying here are going to be able to keep all of their belongings. Because the homeowner that actually used our services to do this, they're going to be renting this home out totally unfurnished to renters for $2,000 per month. So if we're talking costs, this homeowner spent between $200,000 to $220,000 on this structure, and they are planning on renting it out for $2,000 per month. We are now in the second bedroom, which has an ensuite bathroom. So there's an ensuite, meaning that they can walk right in from the bedroom with their bathroom. And this one is actually a full shower. So there is no bathtub here. There's a bathtub in the other bathroom, but this one just features a full shower with a rainfall head opening inside. And of course, we have those same black fixtures as well as those same brown floating shelves that really bring some more light into the space. Throughout the home, you'll see some LVP flooring, which is a nice light wood color in that same, again, large closet space that we see here. Now, you might be wondering how the utilities work specifically in this structure as it sits behind a traditional duplex. All of the utilities are actually connected to the primary home, and this home is on a totally separate meter for both plumbing, electric, water, all of the good stuff. Now, if you're thinking about how are you actually going to be cooling and heating this space, typically for many of our ADU builds, we have what's called a mini split, which is just kind of an AC unit or heating unit that posts on top of the wall. But for this unit, this owner actually wanted to go with central air. So there is a central air connection here. And in terms of heating the water, we went with a full size water heater within this unit, honestly, because the pricing was just the best. And the property owner really left no stone unturned when we're talking about the fixtures and the features of the home. There's this really cool Nest thermostat that we have so that they can totally feel comfortable regarding the heating and the cooling of the space.